Hey, and thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Today I am making a fall themed snail mail. I came to this snail mail idea because of my dear pen pal Vivian. She kind of challenged me to do a orange, yellow, brown kind of snail mail, and what came to my mind immediately was a fall themed snail mail. But before we get into that video, I really wanted to show you this super cute snail mail that I received from Mimi, the girl I'm sending the mail I'm crafting in this video to. And I just wanted to show you what she sent me at around the same time I crafted this one. So, as you might know, it was my birthday last month and somehow this didn't completely reach me and she had to resend it. But she made me a birthday mail and I really wanted to share that with you because I think everything in this is so cute. So first up, there's already some pretty hard confetti. And she made this super cute little pocket with a bird with a party hat that says happy birthday and a super cute card congratulating me. And as you can see, her snail mail handle, her Instagram handle is @mimi_snailmail. So go and check her out, and if you like what she makes, give her a follow on Instagram. And then she sent me this folder, which is filled with beautiful things, but I especially like, yay, the things are beautiful. She gave me some stamps, but I really want to show you the pocket itself. So she stamped these and cut them out, which I think is really nice. Because then your stamps get used by multiple people instead of only you. And these leaf ones. I just love the fall theme. Thank you so much. Okay. And more confetti. I'll go into this, but this pocket is so beautifully made. It has two different pockets, and I believe that she also has a tutorial on how to make these on her Instagram, so I would 100% recommend to go check it out. Look at that. It's so crafty and so well made. I love it. Thank you so much, Mina. And then she sent me some beautiful fussy cut flowers. Love the iris. This one's also very pretty. And two fall themed sticker sheets, which are so beautiful. I love this one. I'm definitely going to use those a lot. The first time she sent me something, she actually sent me one of these sheet masks as well, and I really like them. So I'm happy she sent me another one. Yeah, so back to the video. Yeah, I just started looking for a little bit of fall in my stash. So I found this beautiful book of nature in general. And it had these massive illustrations in it. And I crafted loads of envelopes from these illustrations. And because of the colors, the red, the yellow, and the fall theme, I thought this would be perfect to make an envelope. I don't really have a plan, so you'll go on this journey with me. Let's get started. I really like this as well for the theme. I think I'm going to make a flipbook out of this. But this side isn't really pretty, except for the butterfly, so unfortunately that will be covered. But I'm going to find a paper that I think will look good with this. So I feel like we need to bring in some more yellow slash orange. So I found these Flow magazine papers, and I think the orange and the yellow really stands out in this. I might use this one for the letter, but this one I'm going to glue to the back of this. Luckily it's a little bit see-through so I can fit it. Glue, 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 glue. Hold it against the light. That's cute. So, always leave a little bit of room. Then you can washi it. Or then you can washi it. Then you can tape it. I have two options, or maybe three. Do what? Do what? No, I like this one, but I'm not going to use it here. Here we're just going to use the plain yellow because we need to add some more yellow. Now it's turning a little bit orange. And then in another shop I received this one, and I liked it because it's an old library card and it has Among the Mushrooms on it. So I don't know, I felt like it fit the theme. And I'm just going to use the same. Oh, I hope I have enough. I'm afraid I don't. Damn it. Okay, we're going to use that somewhere else, but I have some, luckily, I have some other washi, which is similar yellow. That's the issue with samples. They're always finished earlier than you wish. And I feel like I go to my samples a little bit more often than to my full rolls. And I don't really buy rolls anymore because I never use them. And you guys, my pen pals and everybody who mails me, very often you send washi samples. And I love using those. Next. I feel like we have to make this a little less busy. And we have this orange. Shoot! Should have made a bag out of this. Can still make a little pocket out of this one. So, I feel like we need to make this look a little bit more fall, because it doesn't really yet. And I think I have the perfect idea. This one. Let's do the little bee one. believe that is it for the inside. We will come back when the last bit of the wax is melted, because I want some more extra specks. But yeah, kind of want to put this one here. I have this beautiful paper clip, handmade by Grace, and she sent this to me for my birthday. I think it would fit really nicely here in this tea. Wax, are you hot enough yet? Because the envelope is quite big, so I think I will send some bigger images to her as well. Some more stamps. Okay, let's write something here. With an eggled jelly roll, and I drew some small autumn leaves just to fill up the space a little bit better. And then I would like to send her some bigger things as well. So unfortunately my camera died filming the last part of the video, and I made some footage finishing this up, but my camera was empty, so I had a little bit of trouble doing so. I'm just going to show you what I did while the camera was off. I think all I did was I added some extra goodies to this package, and I wanted to show you how the flipbook ended up looking. And all of this is going into this envelope, which I kept kind of plain, and which I might still decorate a little bit more. And I already wrote the letter, put it in there, so now it's all ready to be closed off and shipped. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to glue this down, put a wax seal on it, maybe decorate a little bit more, and then it's off to the receiver. So my wax has melted. I have some gold glitter, and I'm going to use this wax seal, which I bought recently from AliExpress. The gold kind of ruined it. The good thing with this wax is that you can re-melt it. Let's hope it goes good with the paper that has stuck to the back. just break it up and melt it again. Much better. And I recently got this, which is actually baking glitter, so decorating cakes and everything. I just wanted to try if this works on bags because it's a powder, so I thought it might look nice. That's actually not bad at all. So let's put some stamps on this envelope and then it's ready to be shipped, I guess. I want to decorate a little bit more. Oh, and I obviously need something to write my return address on. And I'm obviously going to write the rest of her address here. But yeah, that's it for this envelope. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of these kinds of videos, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I will see you next time. Bye bye!